Hello, and welcome to another video on Money Matters. In today's video we will be discussing the pros and cons of investing in real estate. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth and generate passive income, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and risks. In this video, we'll explore both the advantages and disadvantages of investing in real estate so that you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. Let's start with the pros. One of the main benefits of investing in real estate is the potential for long-term appreciation. Over time, the value of real estate tends to increase, and as a result, so does the value of your investment. In addition, real estate can provide a steady stream of rental income, which can be a great source of passive income. This can help you build wealth over time and achieve financial freedom. Another advantage of real estate investing is the ability to leverage your investment. When you take out a mortgage to buy a property, you only need to put down a portion of the purchase price, while the rest is financed by the bank. This means that you can control a larger asset with a smaller investment, which can potentially lead to greater returns. Real estate also provides the potential for tax benefits. For example, rental income is generally considered passive income and is taxed at a lower rate than earned income. In addition, you may be able to deduct certain expenses related to owning and managing the property, such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and repairs. Now let's take a look at the cons of investing in real estate. One of the biggest challenges is the upfront cost. Real estate investing often requires a significant amount of capital, and it can be difficult to get started without a large amount of cash on hand. In addition, there are often other costs associated with owning and managing a property, such as maintenance, repairs, and property taxes. Real estate investing can also be time-consuming and requires a certain level of expertise. If you're planning on managing the property yourself, you'll need to be prepared to handle tenant issues, maintenance requests, and other day-to-day tasks. If you're not familiar with the real estate market or don't have experience with property management, it may be wise to hire a professional to help you navigate the process. Finally, real estate investing comes with its own set of risks. The value of real estate can fluctuate depending on market conditions, and there is always the possibility of losing money if the market takes a downturn. In addition, owning a property comes with certain liabilities, such as potential lawsuits from tenants or other legal issues. In summary, real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth and generate passive income, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and risks. If you're considering investing in real estate, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully and do your research before making a decision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of real estate investing. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring you more valuable contents. See you in the next video.